Post up, run around in it, flossing on it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's style&shine here, and today I'll be doing my hair again. You know, my last hair video did very well, so hopefully this one does too. If you want to see any videos like this or any beauty related videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like and comment on this video or any of my other videos. And if you haven't seen my last video, click the cards on one of these sides and it'll be right there.
I've been on the low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind.
Here I'm just oiling my scalp with wild growth oil and massaging it into my scalp so my scalp won't be dry.
Hope the winds of change will change your mind.
Then I'm just dampening up my hair with this water and this spray bottle so that I can brush my hair out and get any kinks or tangles out. I use this wig brush to detangle my hair because it doesn't pull or snag on my hair, and it like evenly brushes out my hair, I guess. Here I'm just parting my hair. I was trying to decide if I wanted a deep side part or a regular side part, so that's what you see me doing here. Then I section off the part from my swoop. Now I'm gonna go along the side of my part and put Eco Styler gel on it so that I can get that part out of the way. Here I'm just braiding the part for the swoop so that it won't be in my way. I decided to add more hair, so that's what you see me doing here for the swoop. I'm just sectioning off more hair so that I can have a more full covered swoop. After that, I'm just going to take the Eco Styler gel and put it all over my head so that it can smoothen out my hair. Once I've covered all of my hair in the Eco Styler gel, I'm going back in with this wig brush to evenly distribute the Eco Styler gel throughout my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to put my hair in the ponytail, not the ponytail that I'm keeping, but the ponytail to get all the hair out the way so that I can work on the swoop. After I took out the braids for the swoop, I'm just going to dampen my hair with some water and then add some leave-in conditioner to it. I also go in with my wig brush to detangle this part so it can be the smoothest. And then you'll see me take the Eco Styler gel and apply that all over this part. Then I go back in with the wig brush so that it can evenly distribute the Eco Styler gel throughout my hair. And then I'm going to switch to the hard brush to smoothen out the swoop. Once my swoop is nice and swooped, I just take the elastic band off my ponytail and like brush the swoop into the ponytail and just put it back in the ponytail. Here I'm taking my edge control brush and fixing my swoop so that the little hairs won't be like laying on my forehead or anything, and to make sure all the little hairs are laid down nice and evenly. And then I just add more Eco Styler gel to make sure everything is nice and laid. Here I'm just adding Eco Styler gel to my sides and laying my edges, but you'll see me go back in with some edge control because Eco Styler gel does not hold my hair down like whatsoever unless I keep it on overnight. This is the Cream of Nature 24-hour coconut edge control. I'm using this to lay my edges down. I also added some along my swoop so that could stay down better. After that, I'm going to go in with some mousse and apply that mainly to my swoop, but I apply it all over my head so that everything can lay down, but mostly my swoop. Then I go in and spray my ponytail with some leave-in conditioner. And that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my latest video, click the cards. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel.